Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the model answers for the MG5004 Test 2 in trimester 1 2020, obviously given after the test. This is the first in the series of these videos. Okay, the first question was done in class. It was also done in a video, different numbers, but what you do need to think of, check up the video, but what you do need to think of is that the volume is changing at pi r squared delta h, and at the same time the water level is changing at 2, it's coming in at 2 litres times delta T and converting it to cubic metres, because we need to tie up our units from metres to litres and all that sort of thing. So then if we compare those, and if we change the delta H to DH, and again change the delta T to 2T, DT, that's what we've got. Now we can rearrange things. We can put the 1000 over here. We can take out the pi, which is all fine, except that now we've got R's and H's on the left-hand side. So we need to go to the picture. I'm not going to draw the picture here. You've got many examples of this exact picture. So you've got the radius is 2.5. Radius squared is, if you look at the diagram, you can work it out. It's 2.5 squared minus 2.5 minus h squared. And do some algebra. So now that gives us r squared in terms of h. And at that stage it's reasonably easy to do. So just keep the 1000 pi out for the moment. That's all fine. So then the integral of 5h would be 5h squared over 2 minus the integral of h squared, which would be h cubed over 3, and the integral of 2 with respect to t is 2t. And dealing with your fractions, we could leave it like this. Okay, deal with the fractions. So then putting them over a common denominator of 6, but then I'm going to multiply the right hand side by 6 to get rid of my fraction. And you could leave it like that, or you could rearrange it.